Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about what is alt text in SEO and how we can use alt text for our website. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, we are on our computer screen. So first let's talk about what is an alt text in SEO. An alt text is also known as alternative text or alt attribute, alt tag, alt description. Is the written copy that appears in the place of an image if the image fails to load on user's screen. Very simple. If you can see this image, you have this broken image with some description. So this is the best example of an alt text. So how many times has it happened to you that you visit a website and image is not loaded and you see a description next to it describing what exactly that image is all about? So that is nothing but the alt text. So now let's move on to the next slide where we're gonna talk about the importance of alt text. So the first and foremost importance of an alt text is its accessibility. Having a lot of images and videos on your website can increase your reach, and having alt text to every images and the videos can help your content reach a wider audience, because even the users with visual disability and with assistive technology can read it and understand your content. And the next thing is user experience. Having alt text on your website can enhance the user experience, because when a user is scrolling through your website and he's not able to load an image, that might be because of his slow internet connection or a server error, but having alt text can help him understand and know what exactly that image is about, because you're gonna show him a text like this next to the broken image. So that is gonna help him understand what that image is about. So the next is image traffic. So this is very important. Having alt text to all the images can increase your image traffic, because your images with the alt text are gonna rank on Google Images and bring a lot of traffic to your website from different sources. Alright, the next is better image context to search engine. This is also very important. So always give a correct alt text so that search engine can understand what your image is about and put it in front of the people who are searching for it. Now let me give you an example of alt text. In the example number 1, we have alt text in HTML format. If you know HTML, or if you don't know HTML, no problem. You can see we have an image tag here. You can see we have an image tag here with the source. This is the image source. This could be anything. It could be your website, your local server, or this thing. So this is the link of the image that we are gonna show. Okay. And next, this one is called alt tag or alt attribute. So you just have to type alt equals and type your alt text here. So this alt text belongs to this image. So every time this image is unable to load, it will show this text which you're going to put in between this inverted commas. I hope you understood. So in the example number 2, we have a Siberian Husky here. So this is a dog, really nice dog, correct? We will start with the image tag, then the CRS is source. We're gonna put the source or the link of the image. In this case it is dogpic.png. Okay, this could be anything, just like I told you earlier. And then you put a alt tag with the alt text here, and then you give a alt tag. You start with alt equals inverted commas and write your alt text in between. So in this case I will write Siberian Husky. So this is the alt text of this image. I hope you understood. Let's move on to the next slide. Now let me show you what a bad alt text would look like. So this is a best example for bad alt text. Here you have Siberian Husky is a beautiful breed of dogs. Siberian Husky belongs to Split's genetic family, so it's very big and lengthy, so you don't have to describe it, and you don't have to give too many references. So the next mistake is keyword stuffing. You have Siberian Husky and you have Siberian Husky here, and having too many keywords is not recommended. It will be counted as keyword stuffing and you could be penalized by Google. And having a bad alt text like this will add too much fluff to image, because here we are not worried about if it is a beautiful breed of dogs or not. So this is adding too much detail to the image, which is not recommended. Next is, it's hard for Google to crawl and understand. When a search engine bot comes to your image and read the alt text, and when the alt text is this big and confusing, it's not able to crawl. So that will ultimately prevent the images from ranking on relevant keywords, and you will not get the traffic that you deserve. Now let's talk about a good alt text. So a good alt text for this example would be like Siberian Husky looking at the camera. I'm sorry for the spelling mistake here, I didn't notice. So what's good about this alt text is it is focused, and it is describing the specific image as it is. You can see Siberian Husky looking at the camera, so it is what it is. It's not something like Siberian Husky is a beautiful breed of dog, it is very cute, and we're not gonna describe the Siberian Husky and its characteristics. We're just gonna describe what it is doing at the moment, and very specific. And next is the length. You should have a very optimized, a perfect length, not more than 125 characters. Then you should keep a primary keyword. So our primary keyword in this alt text is Siberian Husky. So we have Siberian Husky on the left, so this one is done. So the next is avoid keyword stuffing. Do not put the same keyword again and again, because that is gonna count as keyword stuffing, and you could be penalized by Google for this. And the last and the most important mistake to avoid while giving a good alternative text is to avoid using words like photo of or image of to describe the image. So instead of Siberian Husky looking at the camera, you are giving the alt text as photo of or image of Siberian Husky looking at the camera. Don't do that, it is not recommended, because Google already knows that it is an image, and you just have to describe as it is. Now let me show you how you can add alt text to your images in your WordPress website. So to do that, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. Go to post and click on add new. You can do this to all the images that you have already added by going to library and images. And here let me give a title. I will give the title as demo blog post, and then click on this plus icon and select images. You can select the images from your media library if you have already uploaded. You can insert the image from a URL, and you can also upload the image from your desktop. I will click on upload and select this image and click on open. So this is the image we have selected, and on the left you can see this alt text. This is where you have to type your alt text. So I will type something like Siberian Husky looking at the camera. You can give the alt text for this image. Just click on it and it will open the image settings, and here in this alt text you have to write your alt text here, and then click on publish, and this image with the alt text will be published. So every time somebody search for this on Google, they will be able to see your image if it is properly optimized. So that's about alt text and how you can use alt text in your website. So if you want more videos on SEO and WordPress, you can explore my channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.